In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital Kanban board with Trello. A Kanban board is a simple visual way to track work as it moves from idea to completion. Trello makes this really easy, and starting from a template saves time and gives you a clean structure from the very first click. Here's how to go from a blank account to a ready-to-use board in just a few moments. Begin on Trello in the Boards view where all of your boards live. At the top of the page, find the Create button. This is your starting point for new boards and other Trello items. Click it, and instead of building from scratch, choose Start with a template. Templates give you pre-built lists like to do, doing, and done, so you don't have to reinvent the setup. Next, select Explore Templates to open Trello's template gallery. This is a curated library of boards organized by use case, from project management to personal planning. You can scroll and browse categories if you'd like, but to move quickly, use the search bar and type Kanban template. This will surface Trello's ready-made Kanban option designed to follow best practices for visual workflow management. Open the Kanban template and click Use Template. Think of this like making your own copy. You get the same structure without changing the original. Trello will ask for a few details before it creates your board. First, give the board a clear descriptive title. A helpful approach is to include the project or team name and, if useful, a time frame, something like Marketing Launch Kanban Q2. A good name makes the board instantly recognizable to collaborators. Then choose the workspace where the board will live. A workspace is simply a home for related boards and the people who use them. Pick the workspace that matches the team or project so the right folks have access. If you're working solo, you can still assign it to your personal workspace and share later if needed. Keep in mind that the workspace selection influences who can see and collaborate on the board, so choose the appropriate one for your situation. When everything looks good, click Create. Trello will spin up your new Kanban board with the templates lists in place, and you're ready to start organizing your tasks. You can customize list names or colors anytime to match your process, but the default to do, doing, and done setup is a solid starting point. That's it. You opened the template gallery, selected the Kanban template, named your board, chose the right workspace, and created it. You now have a digital Kanban board in Trello ready for your workflow.